Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, welcome back to Furry and to the start of another school week where together we will work at growing the best versions of ourselves. And we know that this is an outcome that we should strive for every day with everything we do. And we know that in order to achieve being the best versions of ourselves, it's going to take disciplined, above the line responses. And we know that growing the best versions of ourselves is within our 20 square feet because only you control if you're going to grow the best version of you, and only I control if I'm going to grow the best version of myself. And to help us grow the best versions of ourselves, we have the 6 disciplines of the R factor that we look at and learn about during the morning announcements. We press pause, get your mind right, step up, adjust and adapt, and make a difference, which leads us to the final discipline down here, number 6, which is to build skill. And when we're working to grow the best version of yourself, there are many skills along the way that you're going to need to build. Skills you're going to need to learn and skills you'll need to grow. In fact, each one of the disciplines on the screen is a skill we need to grow and improve if we're going to achieve that outcome of growing the best versions of ourselves. So, for example, this very first one right here, pressing pause is a skill. Remember, pressing pause is the ability to stop and allows you to use E plus R equals O to clarify your events and your outcomes so you can get your mind right on how you're going to respond. But if you don't build skill at pressing pause, if you don't keep getting better at stopping, and you always just react without thinking, then you're not going to be able to build that skill of getting your mind right, which comes right after it. And there's many things we're going to need to build skill at to improve the best versions of ourselves. And we're going to look more into what it means to build skill. But just keep in mind that giving your best effort and being relentless is going to help you to get there. It's going to help you to build all the skills you need. So do the work to improve the best version of you today, and do the work at starting off this school week living the pirate way on this Monday. Now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Monday, December 4th, 2023. For lunch today, will be chicken fingers with potato stars, carrots, and pears. If you're choosing a sandwich, either sub and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. A couple birthdays to celebrate at Furry today. Happy birthday to Hayes Spear and Brinks Harris, who both get to celebrate their birthdays along with the Furry team. We hope both you students have a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoy getting a year older on this Monday. And some academic congratulations to hand out this morning. First, congratulations to first grade student Bentley Delameter for meeting his winter benchmark goal in nonsense word fluency, and that's with Mrs. Smith. And also congratulations to second grade students Dominic Bermelin, Leo Yurden, and Parker Sorg for passing the addition facts, and Elizabeth Stang and Carter Stock for passing the subtraction facts. And that's on the extra math program in Mrs. Riggy's class. And finally, congratulations to kindergarten students Artis Shepard and Henry Tacacelli, both for passing word list number 1, and they're in Miss Cullen's class. Well done to all of those students for earning their academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right and think about that even doing this each and every morning is a skill that we can build and continue to get better at to help us start each one of our school days here at Furry. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold Now breathe out. All right, very good, boys and girls. Another reminder on here on this morning to make sure we're checking that lost and found. If you're still missing a coat, sweatshirt, hats, water bottles, those may be found down in our lost and found. Give a check down there and see if yours may be sitting down there. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.